Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about soap making and handmade products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at the Scraftworks for more sneak peeks and ongoing projects. This month's challenge is making marble soap or making river rocks. I've always wanted to make a marble soap and this is the perfect opportunity. So now I'm pouring the lye solution into the melted oils. I'm using a relatively slow moving formula so I can play with the soap for longer. Blend the soap until it reaches an emulsion. Now add the essential oil blend and mix well. This time round I'm using a blend of rosemary, linseed cubiba, and lavender essential oils. This blend totally reminds me of fresh clean linen and I'm loving it. Then I poured out about 7% of the total soap batch and further poured out a smaller portion. I want to color these two portions black and grey using activated charcoal to create the veins in the marble. Coloring the biggest portion white with titanium dioxide as the base color of the marble. This month's challenge requires us to make marbles that resemble naturally occurring marble, and these usually have subtle colors. I wanted to make it simple and make it something similar to my table. Blend well to a light to medium trace that is pourable. It's best to work with a soap formula that you know well. Once you get to the desired soap trace consistency, this is where the fun starts. Take out a separate clean pitcher and do an in-the-pot swirl with the black and the grey. I simply just poured the black and grey soap in like that, and then just freestyle pouring it into the mould. The speed of your pour will affect the pattern it creates. This is the best time to play with the batter to create the type of veining effect you like with your marble. Repeating the previous steps about 3 times until all the soap batter is finished. After finished pouring in the soap batter, tap down the mould, and because I didn't like some of the areas of the marble pattern, I turned and twisted the soap mould so the pattern would follow and move to create a more natural flowy effect. Unmolding the soap after a few days, and here is the uncut slab, and then I cut it into 4. I personally think that the veining effect came out really well for this soap. I really like it. How about you? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.